chairs have been left out of the history books when it comes to American invention. It's time to recognize our diverse and dynamic nation of inventors. Join Hagley Museum and Library as we reinvent history by uncovering their stories with fascinating looks at our one-of-a-kind collection of 19th century patent models. Anna Dormitzer, a Czech immigrant, wife, and mother of 7, wanted an easier, safer way to clean the outside of windows, but not for her personal convenience, rather for the people who work for her. Thus, she invented her window seat and chair for outside work, complete with a folding ladder for easy access. Anna was born in 1830 in Prague and immigrated to New York City in 1850 at the age of 19. By 1851, she was married and had her first child, Charles. Anna often had servants who would clean and manage the outdoor area and garden, where unfortunately, in 2 separate instances, 2 suffered serious injuries after attempting to clean the windows. Dormitzer halted the work right away and began looking into a safer alternative. Anna ended up receiving 12 patents between 1878 and 1891 for window cleaning step chairs. The patent model in Hagley's collection is likely her earliest iteration, patented in 1878. Her inventions had the opportunity to be of good market value, but ultimately Dormitzer's goal was to have her invention benefit the working classes. She once stated, "If I ever sell my patents, I want to establish a fund to provide free trained nurses for the poor." It's evident that Anna cared deeply about the lives, safety, and well-being of others. Today, Anna is remembered not only for her patents, but for her advocacy as well. Explore our online resources or visit us in person to uncover more stories like Anna Dormitzer's and find out how we're all part of a nation of inventors at Hagley Museum and Library.